Hi, my name is Dr. Balamurali. I'm a neurosurgeon based at Chennai. I want to share an experience about having met Bhuvana Pasupati, who's a consultant in genetic brain profiling, which we had taken our child to. Children, when they come to their age of choosing their career, especially when children are very smart and multifaceted, they can do many things. There is a small confusion with the child choosing what they want to do and also the parents' influence. So we didn't want to make that mistake, and so we just thought that we will experience and explore options in which we can determine which would be her future. So we had taken her to Bhuvana Pasupati, who actually helped us, and it involves in science which is well known for many years, but obviously the technology and the tools are much more advanced now. So we did a little bit of our own research and we met her. So our child had to give the fingerprints of all the 10 fingers, and then you come up with a big report. This report is actually scientific because it is to do with the development of the brain. So we have the right and left hemisphere of the brain, and a personality or a genetic mapping of various features of the brain can be read with this. So it is not completely or 100% accurate, because it's 50% accurate from the genetics and 50% of their influence and their childhood, how they were raised and things like that. So having understood this knowledge, so we did go there, and we were very surprised to see the information that we were given about our child, which was, I wouldn't say perfectly accurate, but almost. The most important thing is that Bhuvana was able to actually interpret that data very nicely and explain it in a very simple layman's term about what is the child's attitude, their memory, which domain of area they were having an interest, their leadership skills, their sensory skills, their motor skills, and so many other factors of the brain. And I would say quite a lot of them did match. I'm not saying that this is an kind of a tool which can predict somebody's future. It's not a fortune teller, but it kind of guides you into identifying certain aspects which you kind of think that you know, but you also don't know about your child. In this modern world with parents all working, the kind of observation that we do on our children is not the same as staying 24/7 with your child. So I would recommend those of you who need some guidance about choosing what you want your child to be in the future. What is their attitude, what is their learning skills, what best ways they use to learn, behave, interpersonal skills with other colleagues, their personality type. So various other things, you can definitely try this, and I would recommend. I do want to take my own test to see if these things match, and I'm sure it's going to be interesting. So I wish her good luck, and for those of you who want to consider this, please do visit her. Thank you.